Wizards Toolkit now has a CSV importer for MySQL databases. What this page is doing, the CSV importer, is it's actually using information schema to get us a listing of all tables associated with our database. So here's our tables. I want to pull out the prospect tables. Here they are. It knows that that's the engine. And if we go back here, we can see that's actually how everything is defined. So it's pulling that directly out of your information schema. Now we can pick any CSV file, click to upload it, and it shows you the top 10 rows in the CSV file. So you can check them out, verify it looks correct. And if we look in, here's the actual CSV file. It's pulling in the top line as the column names and then pulling in the data. So that's how you have name, URL, description, etc. Now we click Map Columns. I manually changed city to be lowercase just to show that it can do, it's case insensitive for a direct mapping. It assumes that if the name is exactly the same, then it should map it. And the rest you can then manually drag and drop, like name to company name. And it's already got city to city. You see it removes the link field because you can't import more than one to a particular column. But if I try to put in something like country, which is a long value, into something that's only a char2, well, we'll see what happens. It gives you a nice error. String data right truncated, data too long for country code. Problem is in your CSV file on row 1. And sure enough, the country code in here is going to be United States, which is longer than 2 characters. So let's go back. Prospects. Upload. Map columns. If you want to undo one of these, you just click this and it will remove it. Here we say name, company name. Contact email will go to main email. Funding date. Oh, that's kind of nice. Let's bring this in. And funding amount. All right, and now let's test out the import. You can do a generate insert script, in which case it will give you the insert script like this. And since I generated it, now I could copy and paste this into a database, or I could run the script. Notice, here's my prospect list. There's currently no data in it. Prospects, no data. So now I'm going to actually do the import. And we'll just bring over the name. Let's copy the URL all the way to the website. Funding data, funding date. Funding amount. By the way, this was a free spreadsheet of growth companies that have just got funding, and they'll send you 100 leads every month, which is kind of nice. So I decided to make it so Wizards Toolkit can just import these leads, and then I can send them a bulk mail. There, it just imported it. And then if I wanted, I can also have it import into the prospect staff, which I'll do. And now if we click on there, you can see there they are. And there is all the details. It's that easy to import using the Wizards Toolkit CSV Importer. And if I wanted to, I can then do a bulk email, choose the email template press send, and it would send it to this 100 prospects that I just imported. Have a great day. Subscribe for more on the business of programming.